Hello and welcome to Flowers & Associates Creative Learning, your go-to resource for tips and advice on managing your rental property. Today we're going to discuss how to get control of your rental income, tips and strategies. In this video we'll share tips and strategies to help you get control of your rental income and maximize your profits. Hi, I'm Robert Flowers, Senior Instructor at Flowers & Associates Creative Learning. I've helped property owners and managers improve their rental income from non-producing properties using proven strategies to achieve maximum income that works. Landlords who are struggling to maintain control over their rental income can be time-consuming, especially when owning or managing multiple properties. If this is you, you're not alone, but don't worry. Here are some tips and strategies to get you back on track to profitability. Tip 1. Set competitive rental rates. The first step to getting control of your rental income is to set competitive rental rates. Do some research on the rental market in your area and determine the appropriate rental rates for your properties. This will help you attract potential tenants and minimize vacancy periods. Tip 2. Screen tenants effectively. Tenant screening is a critical step in ensuring that your rental income is secure. Screening your tenants will help you minimize vacancy and turnover costs by selecting reliable and responsible renters. Conduct thorough background checks, credit checks, and employment verifications to ensure that your tenants can afford the rent and have a history of paying on time. Tip 3. Streamline property management tasks. Managing a rental property can be a time-consuming task. However, there are ways to streamline these tasks to save time and increase efficiency. Consider using property management software to automate rent collection, maintenance requests, and tenant communication. This will reduce the amount of manual labor required to manage your properties and free up time for other important tasks. Tip 4. Handle difficult tenants and legal issues. Dealing with difficult tenants and legal issues can be stressful and time-consuming. However, it is important to handle these situations correctly to protect your rental income. Be sure to follow the appropriate legal procedures when dealing with difficult tenants, such as eviction proceedings, and seek legal counsel when necessary. Tip 5. Maximize rental income through smart investment decisions. Finally, it's important to make smart investment decisions to maximize your rental income. Consider adding value to your properties through renovations and upgrades, or investing in up-and-coming neighborhoods. This will attract higher-paying tenants and increase the overall value of your properties. In conclusion, getting control of your rental income is essential for any landlord. By setting competitive rental rates, screening tenants effectively, streamlining property management tasks, handling difficult tenants and legal issues, and making smart investment decisions, you can achieve financial stability and success as a landlord. Don't let your rental income control you. Take charge today. For more information about stabilizing your rental income, check out this video or attend our free workshop. You can find that link below in the description. That's all I have for now, and thanks for watching. To your success.